Welcome to week 5 of beginner class, West Coast Swing. We kind of played off of last week's stuff. What's that? Okay. So we didn't do a starter step because that regular starter step, the basic starter step, and the L-shaped starter step, that's usually enough for the beginner level. Other than that, it gets complicated with timing variations. We started off with, again, simple options. We started off with a right side pass, receiving her elbow, lower forearm area on the 3 and redirecting her on the 4, which is basically a sugar push. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. As you can tell, I kept the hand up, the elbow up to the shoulder, and that helps keep our fingers safe out of her eyes and her chest area. So keeping out of those 2 spots. The next part was doing the same thing, but sliding down to a right hand shake hold. We got into roll in and roll outs, but this time instead of a neck wrap, we did a roll into a cape or neck hammer lock. So it's still 1 prep, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1 prep, 2, 3, and now on that 4, I'm going to be asking for this hand over here and bringing this hand up over her head. We can now do roll in and roll outs. Remember, left hand goes over the head, left hand goes over the head. Now, we tried 3 different ways to get out of this. The first one was that I was thinking fancy, and I was thinking on a roll out, sliding down her arm. You had to let go of that hand. The next one being, if I had this hand already, I should say, was that I went over top and then just switched hands like that right away. But if you wanted to add an extra layer onto this, I went ahead and rolled her in, rolled her out, and then did a sugar push and sliding down her arm. Now the sugar push going from bent fingers to palm and back to bent fingers. So sugar push, right hand shake hold, and then getting back to a regular connection. And that was today's material. Thank you for coming out.